Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. In this video, we will be creating a waterfall countertop. A waterfall countertop is a countertop that extends to the floor along the side of a cabinet, creating a stunning finish to the design. In this video, we will use this design for an example. I need to create a waterfall edge on both sides of the island. We will be utilizing floor user shapes to create the waterfall edge. These user shapes will need to sit crosswise to the construction line, and it will be easier to move user shapes into place for this exercise if we turn the wall placement zones off temporarily. To do this, navigate to the bottom right corner of the ProKitchen window and left-click the Zone tab to turn it off. Once we have turned the wall zones off, we may now navigate to the door or window icon on the left toolbar and left-click to launch the dialog box. Then, select the User Shapes folder at the top of the list to open the contents below. Select the floor user shape and left-click Place. Left-click once to drop the user shape. Move it into position on either side of the island, and left-click again to secure. When the dialog box reappears, left-click Cancel to dismiss. Now we need to make dimension and texture changes to the user shape. Right-click on the user shape to open a menu. Hover to the user shape option and into its toolbox. Hover to and left-click on Attributes. The first thing we need to alter are the dimensions found in the currently open General tab. To edit any of the current values, highlight the current text and type the required dimension. We will need to adjust the width to 1 inch to match the existing overhang of the countertop. Alter the depth to the existing depth of the countertop. And finally, adjust the height to match the height of the base cabinet components. Next, left-click the Texture tab at the top of the Attributes dialog box. Select As Countertop to match the countertop texture set within Design Settings, and left-click OK to apply. Now we can left-click and hold to drag the user shape so that it fits exactly under the overhang of the countertop. We will need to make a waterfall edge on the other side of the island as well. We could copy and paste, but for this demonstration, I will walk through the process again. Open the Architectural Elements catalog with either the door or window icon on the left toolbar. Select User Shapes, Floor User Shape, and left-click Place. Left-click to drop on the plan view. Move to the other side of the island countertop, and left-click again to secure in place. When the dialog box reappears, left-click Cancel. Again, we need to make dimension and texture changes by accessing the right-click toolbox and selecting Attributes. Adjust the dimensions by typing in the required measurements. The width is to match the end overhang at 1 inch. Match the depth to the countertop and the height to match the base cabinet items. Left-click the Textures tab, select As Countertop, and left-click OK to apply. Now you can left-click and hold to drag the user shape into place directly under the existing overhang of the countertop. Now we can view this in 3D, but first, remember to turn the Zone tab back on at the bottom right corner of the ProKitchen window, or the drop-away invisible walls feature will not function properly. Left-click the 3D icon found on the top toolbar to launch the 3D Edge Viewer. Inside the viewer, you may left-click and hold to pan the design. Right-click and hold to rotate the view. And use the roller ball on the mouse to zoom in or out. We have successfully created a waterfall countertop on this island. What a stunning addition to this kitchen design. Thank you for visiting Pro Kitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.